Take command of the road in the 2009 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. With fewer than 50,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle glistens in the crowded pickup truck segment. Chevrolet infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, fully automatic headlights, and much more. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 6 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Chevrolet also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, ignition disabling, OnStar, and ABS brakes. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. Stop in and take a test drive.